Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a network marketer who absolutely hates prospecting? It feels like you're on in that no friends left club because you're always chasing people. You've gone through your family and friends, and now you're sliding into strangers' DMs. This is no way to build a business. You can be burnt out, glued to your phone. I want to show you a better way. What if you didn't have to build your business this hard way and you actually were able to leverage AI on automation? What if you could have a rejection free business that was out there working for you 24/7, that was actually following up with your prospects, right? So you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end because you don't want to miss out on this exciting gift I have for you that's 100% free. Put your wallet away. We don't need that, okay? If you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, and currently studying for my degree in business and marketing in Dublin, Ireland. I actually help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money and never being able to catch up with either one of those two. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on a hamster wheel going round and round in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck. I was sick and tired of being broke all the time. I was dabbling from affiliate marketing, network marketing, making a list of my family and friends, working really, really hard, doing what they told me, but I was just burnt out. I didn't have enough energy and still no money by the end of it, right? So it was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So I just came across this amazing bot that this AI technology that's designed specifically for network marketers that's actually is going into 2025. It's going to take the heavy lifting away from you. So I'm just going to go ahead and share my screen here, show you a little bit. And if you are a network marketer, you want to make sure you stick around because we actually have done for you templates that you can use for certain network marketing businesses out there. Okay, so if you hate prospecting, you're going to love prospecting after this because you will only talk to qualified leads. You know exactly what action steps they've taken before you follow up with them if you want to, but the bot actually does automated following up, right? If you're always chasing people, you can have people coming to you because now you're giving away something of value for free so that they can use to build their business. If you never had a structure to follow up, which I never did, you can actually have automated following up here. And if you have an inactive downline, this can help you activate your downline by leading with value, giving something away for free. And if you're constantly having to rebuild your business, jumping from program to program, this can help you with consistent growth, right? So just imagine a system that's easy to use. You could have this up and running within 10 minutes, especially if you're part of these network marketing companies I'm going to share with you. We have done for you templates that have been put there by your leaders in those companies, and they actually update those templates for you, right? You just have to make them your own. The system will work for you 24/7. There's over 3 billion active users on Facebook daily, so you can have the system doing the follow-up for you on Facebook. A brand new way to prospect, much effortlessly build another income with this. So you can use this to build your business, but you can also activate an additional income stream, okay? And earn up to 5 levels deep. Quick results, you can copy and paste and start seeing results within an hour of getting started, especially if you're using one of our done for you templates. And team empowerment as well. You can transform passive members into active team builders. So let's share with you some of the companies that you can actually use this. I'm actually just going to focus on the ones that I'm aware of. Let me go back to the marketplace. 7K Metals has been around for a while, so we have a plug and play that you can use straight away. I'm just going to focus on the ones I'm aware of. Legacy Builder Program and Live Good. I'm members of these, both of these here, so I just came across this, where I can set up multiple bots as well to have them working out there for me. Nexus Rewards, heard of that one. Planet Marketing Now sites. So the leaders of these have set these up for you, and they will update them for you as well, because you can present, the bot can present webinars and everything. It's absolutely amazing what it can do. Okay, so instead of me talking about this, let me actually give you access to it so you can have a look at a feel of experience what it's like. Click the link below to claim your free bot. You can have this bot for free, and then you can give it away for free as well and start to kickstart your business in 2025. And if you want to actually use it to build other businesses that you have, then you can actually set it up that way as well. Okay, so go ahead and click the link to claim that. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or email me. I'm more than happy to answer them. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.